Hi guys, Cherish the Missy Painter here, and I am working on this home sign today. I got this from Joann's last year. I painted a beach pour on it, the last one that I did. It's actually quite thick. It's nice and heavy, and I just sanded it on the front because I had a little bit of a shine to it, and I wanted to make sure the paint stuck to it. I taped off the back, and I taped off the bottom where it would sit on someone's mantle or table, just in case I wouldn't want the paint to stick to someone's furniture. My colors are this Seaside Blue by Deco Art right here, and I did add a little bit of this gold metallic medium. I don't really see the gold, but hey, I tried to make it shimmer a little bit. And then my other color is this Ocean Green from Hobby Lobby. It's Master's Touch. And then this is like a slate gray blue. I mixed this myself from a leftover very, very light blue that I had. And I put in a couple of drops of black, and then I toned it down with white. And this is the color I got. So it's kind of like a grayish blue. It is very light colored. I love it. If I feel like I don't like the way this is going, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add gold to it. That's the only thing I can think of to do. Gold or white. I'm not sure. So, wish me luck on this one. I haven't painted one of these in a while, so we'll see how it goes. Oh my god, I'm so glad I added the gold. All right, now I just gotta let it dry. I'm literally gonna have to do the other one like right now. That's how much I love it. All right, well, wish me luck that this dries the way I want it. I love it. Okay, this is home sign number 2. I'm not sure how messy this looks for you guys up there. Shouldn't be too bad. I wanted to do the second one while I was thinking of it. I'm going to be adding this. This is the Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo, and not using the Seaside Blue by Deco Art. And then I have this pre-mixed light blue, and then I have my gold.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. I love that I changed up the colors and added this awesome Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. I don't know if you noticed, but I did switch blow dryers. I love that little flower blow dryer. It's really perfect because the low setting is just right. This is a little bit too powerful even on the low setting. However, because it is a cool mode, it has a cool mode, I don't have to worry about it drying so fast. The little flower dryer blows the paint and dries it like at the same time. So it doesn't always allow me the flexibility that I want. All right, let's see what they look like dry. These dried great. I absolutely love them. I love the gold in this one, and I love the blue-green in this one, the iridescent paint. The back of this one, I did not finish peeling it off, but as you can see, it became a mess. So I might just cover this with a white vinyl sticker. And this one is much neater, so I might sand this down and just paint it white. I haven't decided, or I'll paint it blue. It doesn't matter. You're not really going to look at the back. And the bottom came out great, so I don't have to worry about that. The gold in this one, I don't know if you can see that, but I love what happened here. I love that. I mean, it kind of has like that granite marble look that I'm always going for, so I think this would look really great on a dark mantle. And this one, the shimmer, this one gives me tropical vibes. So I'm really happy with how this one came out. And I don't even, I haven't even sprayed them with varnish yet, so the shine will be even better. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up if you did, and I have a lot more projects coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.